Hello, everyone. I'm Lin, the founder of Telemars. With 25 years experience in software engineering, I have delivered a broad range of data analytics and AI solutions across various sectors, including government, utility, mining, research, and small businesses.
If you are a business manager or business owner motivated to innovate, I'm going to share with you my experience in building teams for successful analytics or AI projects. This is a high-level summary of the key expertise required in the team. Firstly, we must have subject matter experts who know the problem very well and understand the related business architecture and processes. This knowledge defines the functional aspects of the solution, including system behaviors, capabilities, workflows, automation features, user interactions, the insights, and the business logic of the insights. Such expertise is also required to test whether the solution is fit for purpose. To identify the correct source data for the problem, we must have the knowledge of how the data is generated and managed in its source system, and understand the business context and life cycle of the data. This requires the knowledge of how the source system and its data works. The people who have such knowledge could be the technical team who developed or maintains the system, or application specialists who are expert in using the system with a strong knowledge of how the system works. This can be very tricky for many businesses as the source systems are often provided by the vendors. It is important to work with your vendors to have the right data strategy in place, including not only the accessibility, integration, and technical specs, but also the knowledge of context and data journey. In my experience, many mistakes start at this step. I will explain more in my next video. Data engineering is essential expertise in building any analytics or AI solutions. Data engineers need to retrieve and transfer the right data from its sources at the right timing, frequency, and latency to the destination. Engineering measures are applied to make sure this process satisfies the performance and access control requirements of the source system and remains consistent, reliable, and secure. The data pipelines also need to manage data quality issues, including missing data, duplication, corruption, data discrepancy, etc. Without data engineering work, the application won't have the right data to use. In one of my previous videos, we discussed that analytics and AI applications have a lot in common. The implementation of analytics and AI applications is still within the scope of software engineering practice. For example, we just built a prediction model for utility asset management. 50% of the work was software development, 30% was data analysis and engineering, and only 20% of the effort really went into algorithm development. Another example is a large language application that we are currently developing. 70% of the work is software engineering, with about 30% effort in data analysis and large language model implementation. However, data science expertise is critical to developing a solution that achieves the unique insights which sets your business apart from your competitors. we can see the required expert areas are quite broad. There is no way one person could possess all the knowledge, but it also does not mean that you have to have a large team. You could have one person cover more than one area, or have a team for each area. One common problem I have seen in many projects is knowledge gaps in the teams, regardless of the number of people. It is a significant issue hindering the success of the projects. I will discuss it in details in another video. Beyond good coverage of expertise in your team, a sustainable project framework and practice are required to ensure successful delivery. Collaboration is critical to really close the gaps and execute the knowledge. In my experience, collaboration is a concept that is easy to say, but very difficult to execute. I will dive into the details about closing the gaps in this channel. If you are interested in this type of topics, please subscribe to this channel or follow my LinkedIn page. Have a great day. See you in the next video.